And... I understand you not gotta make stuff tough because kids break shit, but these things are damn near indestructible. Okay. Now where's your beak? Okay. Just take this out. You're not gonna have a voice anymore. Yeah, that's fine. You're fine. You don't need that, right? All right. No, I wouldn't be too worried. I don't think that's enough to keep her down. Or at least not for long. Across here, over here. And... why is there so much shit here? Like... there is an absurd amount of stuff down here. Under what's supposed to be just a regular pizzaplex. Over here. And... where are you? Hello? Yeah, there's the jar. Okay. See? She got better. She's just going through her horror phase. Oh. Her head's on backwards, so that's why she... Oop. Run, run, run. Okay, okay. Yeah, with her head on backwards, I don't think she can actually see me. She just falling to noise. Okay. Fuck that. Go. So, I wouldn't worry about her too much. She's gonna be just fine. Someone may... oh, welcome back, Sushi. We're just being chased by, Chica, because we kind of stole her voice. Well, we stole her voice box and her mouth, so... she's not having the best day. And through here. Definitely gonna save because she's gonna be on my ass. Save that. And through here. So this guy's gonna be no good to me. She's gonna grab me, snap her head around, and take a bite. Nope. It's actually shocking she doesn't notice the red light. Here. Oh. Over here. Okay, this way. And okay, okay, got that. And where are you? She can no longer make. Oh, what the fuck was that? Some weird ass reverb going on. Okay. Alright, we found our way back. Only one generator left. And there's actually some interesting things going on down here beyond being chased by Chica. If you notice, there's occasionally robots with the eyes glowing, even though they've been destroyed. There was a theory that not only are the Aftons back, but Charlie, Henry's daughter, who ended up possessing the puppet, is here and is infecting all of them. You'll start to see that the puppets will have the same black streaks that you see on the puppet. Okay, no, over here, over here. This way. Oh, you bitch! See? That's the streaks I was talking about, though. Yeah. So, some people have theorized that a lot of these people are still kicking around at the fire of the... Was it the 5th game? I think? Was it the 5th or the 4th one? Actually didn't cause their souls to be freed. They're still kicking around. Though it's hard to get that to gel in my brain since we've heard Afton burning in hell. So, I'm not quite sure what the truth actually is. But if I remember right, there is a... yeah. See all these? All with lights, all with the same lines of the puppet. Also, there's something interesting going on here. It's like someone trying to... yeah, I can feel... It's like something trying to gain awareness. So, this is one of the reasons people think that Gregory might have been a, or might be a robot. This is my home leave. They think this is all Gregory's working while he was trying to gain consciousness. And also there's something interesting up here. Just over this way. Now, this, people are saying, is the Afton family. Michael, who's got the pizza thing going on. Elizabeth, the daughter. The crying child who lost their head because of the bite. Oh, fuck. Fell. Back. Which will make that William Afton. And the mother. And what do we get when we collect this? The old poster. So, this is why not only people think that Gregory is a robot, but he's also the crying child. Is he's staging what his family used to be before he died. It's a very fun concept to think about. That, and this kid has skills that someone his age should not have. Like, when you get to the Ruin DLC, he's actually hacked everything to keep the Mimic caged up down there. Hey, Luxley, I didn't see you there. How you doing? It is, like I keep saying, this is why I enjoy FNAF so much. The lore is kind of like all over the place and giving to you in small drips, so you kind of have to figure things out yourself. Alright. We got her mouse, so we need to collect Freddy and go back to the read room. Over here. But Chica's still there. Okay. Oh, wait. I didn't see this before. Oh, I loved giving lore on different things. I find lore to be one of the best parts of games. Yeah. I know you're after me, but I'm gonna come over here, jump in the recharge station, and then we'll be fine. Alright, hop in. Recharge. Though, there are different camps who will say yay or nay to different ideas about what's lore and what's not. I know, I know. Scott said the FNAF movie is kind of how he envisions things, or how he envisioned things, but it doesn't make any sense when you take into account of the Afton kids and all the other stuff that came out in game 2, 3, you know. So I think that was his original intent, but things got more complicated as he went on, and that was kind of like the base movie is kind of like the original idea of the catalyst, but I really am I going demonic? Excellent. I can be Neko for only so long. Now, I gotta get back to the green room, which is over on this side of the building. And hopefully not die while I'm trying to install the different parts for Freddy. Though, there is a small twisted part of me that wonders how Freddy's reacting to the idea of having parts from his friends installed into him. Yeah. Seeing that he has like a kinder soul, I think he'd be a tiny bit traumatized by all that. It's like getting a transplant from a friend who's no longer with you. That'd be traumatizing and beautiful in its own way. Oh, I hear you, Roxy. You're eventually going to get yours. Yeah. Where are you? Well, I thought that for a while too, but now that we've played Secrets of the Mimic, we know that Afton didn't actually have any involvement in the creation of the Mimic. That was all Edwin's deal. So, while they used the information for the Mimic later, they got Edwin to construct it. And through the course of the action, we know that David ended up dying because of the Mimic. And that's how its consciousness got... I'm not sure if the consciousness got in there or if the Mimic just kind of broke and it thought it was David. So, you throw the Mimic into it, it gets a bit more confusing. Though, I guess all that has to be taken with a grain of salt because